We've got a rainy one here today. It was raining a little bit yesterday through the mornings. About 9 o'clock it stopped. It was pretty nice. It got warm. I think it's supposed to do about the same today. I don't know why we're standing here. Roscoe, that's the neighbors with the mean dogs. He's been staying here staring at them for the last minute or two. I don't know if he's expecting them or... You see it's a little foggy up through there. You're getting harder, Roscoe. You ready to go home? You can tell fall's here. Leaves are all over the ground. Some of the leaf colors changing a little bit. What you smelling, Edie? Huh? I'm smelling. Wait, I gotta get my leg over. Yeah, that water's almost gone. That used to be quite deep. Whoa, I dropped the leash. Wait a minute. Oscar, wait. Good boy. Good boy. Okay. All right, you got a close-up look at our road here. Isn't it great? Sorry about that, everybody. I'm trying to hold the leash and the collar, or the leash and the umbrella handle one hand, and my phone in the other hand. We'll get the boys home, get them some breakfast. And it was not my idea to be out here early in the morning walking in the rain. Little guy here heard me up with the cats. Well, it was still a little bit dark. A little darker than it is now. Those leaves are changing. And he started crying, so I got them both up. They come on their walk. It's up to them. If they want to come, we come. I think out of the 2 years we've been doing this, I've missed one day because I had a pretty bad tooth infection. I had to go down to the clinic and get antibiotics for that, and I could barely stand up, let alone walk. So that was one day we missed, and then we missed the week after my mom died. I had to go up to Pennsylvania and deal with her funeral and clean her apartment out for that week. So 1 week in January of 2024, I wasn't here to walk with them. You need to go to the bathroom. That's why we're standing still. Done? Good boy. But yeah, now it's raining even harder. What we need is like 2-3 days of just rain like this so we get some water in the creek. Oop, I almost stumbled over a rock. They both got soaked yesterday. Oop, I got them deep again. No, we're not going to be able to do this, boys. You got to get back up here. Good boy. Walnuts are falling. We've been getting quite a few chestnuts at our house, out where the dog kennel is. They're quite big this year. A whole lot of acorns down by the woodshed. You can hear them hit the tin roof. Sounds like the gun going off sometimes. But they all seem to be a lot more and a lot bigger than last year. I heard somewhere that means that it's going to have a hard winter. We'll see what happens. See if the old wives' tales are true. Well, I think I'm gonna let you go for now. I gotta get my other hand on this umbrella. You guys all take care of yourselves. Goodbye.